Hello.
Hey guys.
This is a very important video.
It is, I'm excited.
We've decided because it's Christmas and we haven't eaten any mince pies really yet.
No, but after today I reckon we rectify that.
Yeah, we're gonna rank some mince pies and let you know which one are the best ones in our opinion.
Yes, so we've got Starbucks, we've got Lidl's, we've got Sainsbury's, I was just looking, two from Sainsbury's, Tesco's and M&S.
Yeah, very important system here for ranking. We're gonna give them points out of, do we do 5 or 10?
5.
5 for 4 different categories. We're going for pastry quality.
Yep.
Filling taste.
Yep.
The design.
Yep.
And Christmassy vibe.
Okay.
Because I think some mince pies probably taste more Christmassy than others.
Yeah.
We'll rank each category out of 5, add it together, highest points win.
Absolutely. And normally I have my mince pie hot with a bit of squirty cream.
Not
but
today.
Not today, not for this test, so we're going to go for cold on its own.
Which is how I would normally eat mince pies.
So, yeah.
I guess.
Dig into it.
Okay.
So I guess you start from Starbucks one first.
I do just want to show you this quickly.
Okay. Yeah. So we bought that an hour ago-ish.
Yeah.
So yeah. That doesn't upset me.
This one was £3 something, £3.50, which is more expensive than any of the other mince pies that come in boxes.
Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't see it, but it's quite thick.
It looks like a meat pie.
It really does, yeah. The design on there's
A star?
of sorts, I think.
Yeah. That's the inside. There's a lot of filling in there,
Yeah.
actually.
Okay.
I don't think it's normal mince pie pastry, but it might be. But it's thick,
Yeah.
and it's not super crumbly. I liked it. I guess. What are you doing?
I like a pastry.
But if you look, it's like quite nice and thick.
Yeah. It feels more homemade rather than them ones.
Yeah, it definitely does. Well, you don't know yet. I've seen it
Yeah.
now. But it definitely does. I would say 4 for me.
I'm going to go a bit higher now, 4.5.
I didn't know we were doing 0.5. Okay, filling taste.
I liked it.
I liked it. It is a little. There was a lot of filling, which I do
Yeah.
like. Because I prefer more filling to pastry.
Yeah.
I don't know if everyone does.
Yeah, I do. It's difficult because I think that would have been lovely hot and
Yeah.
squirty cream.
It's a bit liquidy.
I like that.
Okay.
So I'm going to give it 4 for that.
4.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go 3.5.
Okay.
Because I did like that there's a lot of it, but the texture isn't as good.
Okay.
I think the design for me is a 2.
Yeah, it
It's
was
boring.
of sorts, yeah. But it was homemade. I'll go with that. So
But is that actually homemade?
I don't know. I don't know.
What
If
you
you
think?
know, let us know. If you know where they get it from, what they make them in house or whatever. I'm going to benefit a doubt and give them 3.
Okay, and then for Christmassy vibe.
It didn't
It
scream
looked
out.
like a meat pie.
Yeah, it didn't scream Christmassy to me.
I'm
I
going
thought,
to go 2 again.
yeah,
2?
yeah. I think it's fair.
Okay, so that is.
Okay,
I'll do the maths at the end, shall I?
okay. So that's our Starbucks one.
Oh wait, no, let me do the maths with you. Okay, that is a total of 25
Okay, that seemed quite high to start off with.
out of 40.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's the Starbucks one. We're going to go from Lidl, so probably one of the cheapest. He's really cheap. He's £1.25 per box.
That's the same price as the Sainsbury's ones, though.
Okay. Make a nice little test then. Okay. These not going to get wasted. I'm not going to eat them all. I'm going to take some to work. Emma's going to take some to work. Yeah.
Oh, these are cute.
These are cute. Straight away, design there.
Okay,
Okay.
so it's a holly?
Yeah.
Is that holly or mistletoe?
It looked like that had been done by a machine, and yeah.
It's cute though.
It is
Just like
cute.
maybe a little bit undercooked on the top and then maybe a little bit overcooked by the edges.
Okay.
It's got a good amount in there as well.
Yeah. Okay. I'm not
I have thoughts.
up for that one.
No?
The design was the best bit, I think, for that one.
I like. Okay, pastry quality. The pastry felt somehow wet.
Yeah, I think 2. It wasn't.
I'm
Not to my
gonna do
taste.
2.5. But,
Okay.
filling taste. It was nice, but there wasn't a lot of flavour.
No. Again, if I'm generous, I'm going to give them 2.
Oh. I'm gonna go 3, I think.
Okay.
Design I really liked.
Design was good, yeah, better than the Starbucks one, but if Starbucks done by hand, you got to give props to that.
I'm gonna give 4 for the design. I like the Hollywood.
3.5.
We'll be mean to Lidl. And Christmassy vibe.
It looked better than it tasted.
Yeah.
That's the problem, I think.
I don't think that had anything particularly Christmassy.
I mean,
other than it being a mince pie.
Yeah, it looked better than it tasted. I wouldn't go back for seconds for that one.
I'll do 2.5 for Christmassy vibe because it had a holly wreath on it.
I'm giving it 2.
You're mean.
Yeah, what my favourite, that.
So that's 21.5.
Okay. Next up is the Sainsbury's Taste Difference.
Yeah, I was looking for Kipling's, but I couldn't find any, so I got the Taste the Difference ones.
Okay.
These are all butter mince pies, and it says they have a blend of apples, currants, sultanas, candied citrus, peel, and infused with brandy. So these ones should be really Christmassy.
We do normally like Taste Different stuff, so yeah. Oh wow, okay.
They're chunky.
Yeah.
These ones were also, oh wait. These ones, oh wait.
Okay.
These ones were £1.75 if you've got a Nectar card.
Okay.
It's
The
got
design's
a
pretty cool.
Star on it.
Yeah, they're quite chunky.
I like the lid. I like that you can see the filling too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's the inside. I took the lid off mine.
Yeah, there's not tons in there.
That one tastes like Christmas cake.
Let's
the Taste the Difference. Pastry quality.
Oh, it's a pastry.
I liked it, but I didn't like that the lid crumbled when you cut it, because that means when you bite it, it's going to go everywhere.
Yeah. But you're not going to cut it normally.
No, but you would bite it.
Yeah.
But I think that's because they used like a star as a lid. So I think I'm going to go 3.5 because I don't think the pastry was as sturdy as the Starbucks one.
I was going to do 3.5.
Okay.
That's nice and easy.
And then for filling taste, I will say this isn't my cup of tea because of you can really taste the brandy. And I'm not a huge brandy fan. But it is tasty.
Yeah, it is. I preferred the taste of the Starbucks one, the first one. It is nice. I do like the taste of alcohol with my mince pie. So yeah, I'm going to go slightly higher than you.
Well, I haven't said where I'm going yet.
I would imagine to go slightly higher than yours. I thought that I do like a taste. Yeah, I'm going to go 4 for that.
Yeah, I was going to go 3.5 again. So design. I like the... See, I really like the design, but it wasn't very practical.
Okay.
But it looked cute.
It did look cute.
So I'm going to go 4.
Yeah, I think that's fair. I think 4 is good. And then the...
Christmassy vibe. It has a Christmassy vibe.
They're chunky. They are probably
And
chunky.
Also, the brandy makes it taste like Christmas cake.
Yeah. That's pretty cream. Being hot, I think that would be amazing.
So I'm going 4.
I'm going 4.5.
Oh, that's the highest mark, yeah.
Is it?
31.
Oh, wow. Okay.
If I'm doing maths wrong, I know maths.
Don't come for it.
Yeah, but not today, apparently. So yeah, that was the best one so far.
Okay.
With our combined scores.
I'm surprised by that because I preferred the Starbucks more on that one. But yeah, okay.
We both rated that one quite high then, though.
We did, yeah. What's surprising? I mean, it did have everything that it needed to have. Just taste-wise, actual filling was the Starbucks was slightly nicer than I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, okay.
One on everything else, I guess.
Okay, so there we go. We're going to go with Sainsbury's Classics.
Oh.
Okay.
Sainsbury's versus Sainsbury's.
Yeah.
Cute. It's a little Christmas tree. This one looks a little bit burnt on camera.
Okay.
It doesn't look so burnt. Maybe.
Okay. Side. I think it's slightly more than the Lidl one, maybe.
Maybe. Oh, that's a weird way to take it.
Okay.
For me, it was nice. I would say very mid-average mince pie.
I think it's slightly nicer than a Lidl.
Okay, so pastry quality, that was definitely better than Lidl.
Yeah.
I'd give it a 3.
What would I give Lidl?
2.
Yeah, I think it's fair. 3. Yeah.
And then filling taste. It was nice, but it wasn't anything spectacular. Was
I think comparing Lidl and classic Sainsbury's, I think I like that filling better than Lidl. I really didn't like a Lidl one at all, so I gave Lidl 2. I'm going to 3 again then. Yeah,
I also went 3.
Okay.
Design, I like the little Christmas tree, it's cute.
Yeah.
The pastry looked a little bit burnt, but...
Yeah, again, mid-road, I'm going to go 3.
I also think it's very middle of the road.
Yeah. This is easy for Mouse, this one.
Yeah, so easy for Mouse, this one. And then Christmassy vibe.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that... there was nothing, wow about it, was there?
No, but then I suppose it's just a mince pie. Well, how much we can do with mince pie? We didn't go for anyone with icing or anything like that.
No, they're my favourite.
Yeah, but we have to treat it as a sort of plain mince pie. So again,
I think I'm just going to go 3.
Yeah.
Okay, 24.
Okay.
So not as good as, better than Lidl, but that's it.
Okay. Okay. I think that's fair though.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the ones I'm excited for. The next 2. We got the Tesco Finest in the box. I can't remember how much these were.
These are pretty.
Yeah, no idea what we paid for these.
It says rich and decadent.
Okay. Okay, so design-wise, we got a snowflake.
It's cute.
Yeah, yeah, looks right.
I reckon this is going to have the same problem as the one that was the star on the top. You know where they
When
use
you
it as
break
a lid?
Yeah.
I like that one. Oh, fruity.
I'm a bit undersold on that one, if I'm honest.
Oh,
I was expecting higher than that.
I really liked it.
Okay. Okay.
I think that's been my favourite so far.
Really? Okay.
Pastry quality, I think, is good.
I didn't think it was. I think it's too soft for me.
Well, I'm going to go 4.
Okay. I'm going to go 2.5, sorry.
No! Okay, filling taste. I liked it, it was fruity.
Yeah. I preferred more alcohol taste than fruity taste. So again,
I'm going to go 3.5.
I'm going 2. So
You're ruining it! Okay. Design. I like the snowflakes, and I'm going 4.
I'll give you that.
Thank you.
4, yeah. And then Christmassy vibe.
I don't think it had a Christmassy, other than the snowflake. I think it tasted more like a summer, fruit cake.
Yeah.
Because it was very fruity.
It was.
So that's the only one I'm going to knock it down on, because it, compared to some of the others that taste like, I don't know, like Christmassy cake.
Yeah.
I think that one could pass as a summer cake.
Okay. Okay.
If it had a flour on it or something.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go... But I did enjoy the taste of it. So I'm going to go 3.
I think, to me, a mince pie needs to have, same like a Christmas cake. For me, it's got to be more alcohol taste, brandy taste. And like Emma said, that's more fruity for me. So, Christmassy vibe, I think you hit a nail on the head. I think more of a summer cake taste-wise. So yeah, has to be 3.
3. So that one got somehow 26.
Okay. I was surprised about that. I was expecting higher than that.
Oh, because I liked it. And
Well, no, I thought Tesco
you thought
Finest.
it'd do that, yeah.
Yeah.
That's our second best so far, though.
Okay. Okay, so next one.
Final, last but not least.
Last one's, yeah. M&S.
God.
M&S. They're not just mince pies, they're M&S mince pies. Okay, so I'm guessing these are the most expensive ones. These are £4.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what that says, really.
I can't remember how much the Tesco's one, but
No.
I feel like they were around the £2 mark.
Okay.
So yeah, it would be this one and then the Starbucks one price-wise.
Yeah.
I don't like the design. Oh, yeah. You can see it in the camera a bit better than you can see it
Yeah.
in real life somehow.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, they are small. The filling looks thick.
Yeah. Okay. No.
I apologise for complaining about the liquid earlier. There was not enough liquid in that.
That's really surprising. They're not horrible, but it didn't taste like a mince pie.
No.
I mean, they're quite nice, but they haven't got the mince pie taste, I don't think. I think they've been
dehydrated.
No, I think it'd been too fancy.
Maybe. Yeah. Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, so, I mean, we'll score it, but...
It's not going to win.
Without a doubt, my favourite, I don't know if the scores say it, I think the best one was Starbucks for me.
Well, we'll wait and see.
Okay.
Pastry quality.
It was okay.
Was crumbly.
Yeah.
The crumbliest I think we've had.
Yeah.
It tasted better than the little one because the little one felt wet.
Yeah. It wasn't anything special.
3, I think.
2.5, yeah.
2.5.
That's surprising. I thought it was...
Filling taste was not it.
No, again, it's more fruity rather than...
But not like a super nice fruity. Like the last one was fruity, but I said, oh, well, I like this one.
Yeah.
That one was disappointing fruity.
It was, yeah.
I'm going to go...
2.5 really didn't like a filling.
Yeah. Imagine. We were both really looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Design, I'm appalled that you've put that on top of a mince pie.
Yeah.
And nobody knows what it doesn't look like a star until you show it to the camera.
No.
So I'm going to. There are so many Christmassy options.
Yeah, I'm going to too. I think it's fair. Oh wow, I can't believe this.
And then it had 0 Christmassy vibes, so I'm going to give it a 1.
Again, it's on the taste. It was more fruity rather than alcohol taste, rather than a Christmas cake taste, if you like, inside. Yeah, it wasn't a mince pie. It didn't taste like a mince pie, I don't think. So, sorry, but it has to be a 2. Yeah.
You were nicer than me that time. So that one had 17.5.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so because it doesn't reflect with the scores, what was your favourite?
Starbucks one, without a doubt.
Okay, and mine was the Tesco's Finest one.
Okay.
In at last place is Marks and Spencer's collection.
Yeah.
Now I assume they have other mince pies.
Yeah.
So we can't speak on all of them, but those ones were last for us. Followed by Lidl.
Yeah.
Wouldn't buy
What's
them
fair?
again.
I wouldn't buy them, no.
And then middle of the road, very standard, your average, stick it on a plate, put it on a buffet, kind of mince pie, is the regular Sainsbury's one.
Yeah, that's fair, I think.
Followed by, which John is protesting, Starbucks. But I do think as well, considering that was £3.50 for one mince pie, they could have done a better job with that.
It was done really well though. You know, it was nice. The nicest one that night.
Wow. And then in second place is Tesco's Finest.
Okay.
And the first place is Sainsbury's Taste the Difference, which is the one John said was his favourite supermarket.
Absolutely, I think that's fair. I think that's fair. That's a lot of fun. I'm a little mince pied out now. Then.
Yeah, let us know your favourite mince pie, or like
Absolutely.
which brand do you always buy. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. We hope you're having a lovely December.
Absolutely.
And we hope this video gave you a bit of a laugh and you enjoyed it, or maybe it was helpful for research.
Absolutely, why not? Yeah, just eat all your mince pies. It's Christmas.
If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.